Assalamualaikum. Hello kids. Today we will learn English letter L. L says, let's learn 5 words that start with L. Let's begin. 1 L for lion. This is lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is strong and brave. 2 L for leaf. This is a leaf. Leaf is green. Leaf grows on a tree. 3 L for lamp. This is a lamp. Lamp gives us light. We use lamp at night. 4 L for lemon. This is a lemon. Lemon is yellow. Lemon tastes sour. 5 L for ladder. This is a ladder. Ladder helps us climb up. We use ladder carefully. Good job, kids. Today we learned letter L. In this fun and educational video, children will learn the English letter L with 5 easy and interesting words. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lamp. L for lemon. L for ladder. This video is specially designed for nursery and preschool kids, early English learners, kids learning ABC phonics. What kids will learn: letter L sound, word recognition, vocabulary building, visual learning with simple sentences. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to our channel for more ABC learning videos. Press the bell icon to never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.